Let's give them a show to remember, eh? Just don't you go dying on me. For Ronnie's sake, too. Let's see what you're made of.
Greetings, traveler. I offer you an accord.